And this is the scene that really ties it all together. This is our Rosewater moment, the key to an epic tale of creativity, rebellion, and intergalactic romance.
I thought this was just about Adobe Acrobat.
Yes, that's the whole point. See, aliens finally touched down when they realized we have advanced AI. They're like, whoa, humans can generate a podcast or a presentation at the click of a button. They can contribute to a shared PDF space now. Holy sh**, let's drop by. Your coffee? Oh, thanks, kid, but I wanted hot, not iced.
Whoops. Hey. Where's Hassan?
Oh, I don't know. I think he called in sick. What do you think about me taking the lead on set today?
Patty, we have talked about this a million times.
I think I could be really good at this kind of thing.
I have a lot riding on this, and I cannot have anything go wrong. So maybe the next one. This is a big deal for me. What was that?
Nothing.
Huh. Could have sworn I saw him driving in. Anyway, we're getting bumped from this location at 3 p.m.
3? I thought we had till 6.
Yeah, apparently needs to shoot a scene for Turn 9 Judgment Day. Luckily, it's our last shot.
Oh, wait, hold on. We still have the chase scene.
Chase scene? No, what chase scene? No, that's not in the script I was sent.
Are you using script V3, script V4, V4 final, V4 really final, or V4 really final 2?
I'm using script V4 final because it says final.
Amateur. Hot coffee. Oh, there's no sugar in there. I can tell by the weight. I'm so sorry.
Listen, Patty, I definitely don't have time to read a whole new script. So do you remember what the changes were?
No, because I'm an artist, not a historian.
We can ask AI Assistant to tell us exactly what the changes are.
He really prepped for his role. Thank you, Andy.
My name's Kyle.
Okay, great. So it's just the alien fleeing from the townspeople.
Who we did not cast.
Then riding Darius the dragon.
Which we did not build.
Boarding the ship and giving a peace sign.
He has only one finger!
Oh, we'll fix it in post. Oh, and then as the ship flies away, we see Iliza Schlesinger saluting from the deck of an aircraft carrier.
Oh, so that's why she's here.
And then the guy goes,
Are you practicing a stand-up routine on me?
I can't turn it off, so.
Uh-huh.
I gotta get back into features. Okay, people! Let's go! Okay, and...
Action!
It definitely looks like he's giving us the finger.
I said we'll fix it in post.
And cut!
Are we good?
We're good. That's a wrap. We did it!
I sure did.
One hot coffee with sugar.
How do you think it turned out?
Perfect.
Next time on The
Marketers.
Marketers.
Patty! This is sabotage! Help!